Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to make videos using TikTok. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. First of all, you will simply open your TikTok application. Make sure that you are connected with your internet. So the TikTok, when you will open the TikTok, there is at the middle there is an option of plus. You will simply tap on plus option. The camera will be open. So this is how you can make TikTok videos. If you want to adjust your timings like 15 seconds, 60 seconds or 3 minutes, you can make videos about to 3 minutes, 60 seconds and 15 seconds. So if you want to make the video about 60 seconds, you will simply tap on 60 seconds and the setting will be changed. And if you want to make 3-minute video, you will simply tap on 3 minute. Video will be begin. So this is the process of making videos using TikTok application. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.